Reporting live here at Carver Elementary Red Carpet, I'm Mr. Oberlin, and this is
Miss Bartlum. I am so excited for the first day of school, aren't you?
I can't wait! Oh, look who's coming now!
It's Miss Smith and Miss Thomas, our principal and assistant principal.
Hey!
How are you guys doing? Is there anything you'd like to say to our Carver students and families?
Actually, Mr. Oberlin, there is. We just want to welcome our Carver students, parents, and families to Virtual Open House. We are so excited to open our doors to you on August 17th. Whether you will be here with us face-to-face or whether you will be e-learning, we want you to know that our teachers are counting down the days to see your face.
What should students expect on the first day of school?
Well, we just want our parents to know that as your child arrives on the bus or as you drop them off in the car line, we are going to have our teachers and staff lining the halls to help them find their ways to their classrooms. So be sure to wear your bracelet that has your teacher name on it. You should have gotten that at our drive-thru today. And if you were unable to join us for that, if you will call our front office at 459-5111, we will be happy to have somebody set up an appointment for you to pick that up.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So Miss Thomas, what time should kids get here on the first day of school?
That's a great question, Miss Bartlum. So students will be able to leave their cars and come into our building through the car line at 8:30 a.m. and our official start time is 9 a.m.
Awesome. And where should they go when they get here?
When they come into the school building, they need to go directly to their homerooms.
Oh, I can't wait.
I'm so excited for the first day of school. Is there anything else you think these kids need to know?
Well, we're super excited about our theme for this school year.
Ooh, what is it? What is it?
Well, you know, Hollywood is known for filming movies,
Oh, yeah.
television series,
Yeah?
and here at Carver, we have the most talented production team, amazing students, and so we're going to tell our story from Hollywood this year through a story for all time. Our hashtag is going to be It's Showtime, so please be sure to follow us on Facebook. You can search for Dr. George Washington Carver. Instagram, search for Carver Elementary School, and Twitter, CarverES_Richmond Hill. We'll have lots of pictures and just featuring all of the great things that are happening throughout our school day.
Oh my gosh. You know what? I was thinking, could we go in and take a sneak peek?
Absolutely, we'd be happy for you to do that.
We're so lucky, I can't wait!
It's showtime. Let's go.
This is so awesome! Where are we now?
We're at the 100 hallway.
Oh, just like every other hallway, has a bathroom in the front and a bathroom down in the middle. Oh, you know what my favorite thing and I think the best thing about this hallway is?
What is it, Mr. Oberlin?
I'm in this hallway, and you're in this hallway.
Well, that is true, but you know what I think the best thing is? It's our wonderful 5th grade teachers!
We better keep going, there's probably so much more to see.
I want to meet some more teachers.
Oh, me too.
All right, here's 200 hallway.
I wonder what special things are down here. I see art. Art's in the 200 hallway.
I love art.
Did you know that there's 4th graders and 5th graders in the 200 hallway? It's a mixed hallway.
I love that. And you know what else I love? I love our 200 hallway teachers!
That seems like a cool hallway.
I love it. Let's keep going. I am so excited. Did you know this is the 4th grade hallway?
Just 4th grade?
Only 4th grade. This is special.
This is special. I bet they have wonderful 4th grade teachers.
Oh man, we're here in the cafeteria.
I really wish I knew how to get some food. I'm so hungry.
I'm so hungry too. Oh, hey, there's Miss Fultz. Maybe she knows how to get food.
I sure hope so.
Miss Fultz.
Hey, Miss Fultz. So we made it all the way to the cafe. We saw all the hallways, and now we're so hungry, but we don't know how to get our food. Wait.
Okay, so the thing about the Carver Cafe, this is where you'll come for breakfast and for lunch. There's 2 lines, line A and line B. And make sure you know your 5-digit lunch number. And if you don't, ask your teacher.
All right, is there
Awesome.
anything else we need to know about the Carver Cafe? Is it used for anything else?
It actually is. If you're a car rider in the afternoon, this is where you'll hang while they wait for you to get picked up.
That's good to know. My mom picks me up every day.
I bet she does.
This is a great place. Where should we go next?
I don't know. Maybe we can use some movie magic and make it to the gym.
Do you know, I think we should do a swipe. You ready?
Whoa, it worked!
It worked!
Hey, this isn't Miss Fultz.
Who do we have here?
Hey, this is Miss Crowley. What's up, Wildcats? This is the gym, and this is where we do PE.
I love PE. It's one of my favorite specials.
I love it. Where should we go next?
I don't know. You want to go to music?
Yeah, do you think we could dissolve out of here?
Yeah, we can. Oh, first I want to throw.
Oh, we don't play dodgeball in here. This is the music room.
It worked again, though.
That's pretty crazy. Hey,
We
where's
are-
Miss Morris?
There's Miss. Well, that's not really Miss Morris.
I think she's out today.
Maybe we can do some movie magic, and we could do a voiceover.
And while she's not here, we can play with all her stuff.
Let's go!
Hello, boys and girls. I'm Miss Morris, the music teacher. I look forward to sharing with you all in the Wildcat Music Den, and I hope to see you soon.
How'd we get here?
That was an awesome jump cut.
We're getting really good at this movie
We're
magic
way too
stuff.
good at it.
So, where are we right now?
Hi, you are at STEAM Lab, and I'm Mrs. Holmes. So welcome.
Where's the STEAM lab at?
It's in the 100 Hall, and this is where we do a lot of hands-on learning and building and science experiments, and I can't wait to see the kids.
That sounds like my kind of place, Miss Bartlam.
I love this place. I can't wait to come to STEAM.
STEAM will be fantastic.
Yes, it
Where are
will.
we gonna go next?
Art?
How are we gonna get to? I bet if we think really, really hard, we can make it to art.
Help us out, help us out. We made it!
The power of the mind is quite wonderful.
So where are we now?
Hi, it's Mrs. Josephic here. I can't wait to create with the student artists. See you soon.
I love art. I'm not the greatest artist, but it's just fun to me. I just enjoy it.
I'm an artist.
You're so talented, Miss Bartlam.
Hey, where's the art room located again, Miss Josephic?
210 Second Hall.
Ooh, the 200 hallway.
Where should we go next?
Hey, let's go to the media center next. I want to read some books.
I love reading. How are we gonna get there?
Let's do a pull down. You ready?
We made it to the media center. Hey, Mr. Oberlin. Mr. Oberlin, focus!
Oh, I'm sorry. I just love getting lost in stories.
Well, we have a bunch of staff members that work here in the media center that are here to help you guys. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Katie Saratanakal, and I'm the media specialist here at Carver. I can't wait to see what books you check out this year.
Oh my gosh, so when you're looking for a book, you come talk to this lady right here. How about you?
Hi, I'm Deanna Mendoza. I am the new school counselor. I can't wait to meet everybody.
New people, I love new people.
We have another one right over here. Who do we have here?
My name is Dawn Hauk, and I'm the instructional technology specialist here at Carver. So if you have any issues with your computers or you need any help, please come and see me.
I'll tell you what, Miss Bartlam. It sounds like there's a lot of things that can help us in the media center.
These ladies are awesome.
I love them.
Where are we gonna go next?
I don't know. We've done a lot of work today. Maybe we could have some fun.
I'm ready to play. Should we go to the playground?
We should probably go to the playground.
Woo!
Let's travel by map.
Okay, let's do it. Woo! Man, I was excited to come out here and play. It's raining today. Well, Miss Poe, can you tell me what we could do on a sunny day?
On a sunny day, we can swing, we could play kickball, basketball, tag, and also a swing set over there.
Oh my gosh, I love that. Hey, where did Mr. Oberlin go?
Swing, swing, swing.
Mr. Oberlin, you can have a mask break.
Woo! Where should we go next?
I have no clue.
Maybe we should go to the nurse?
I think that's the perfect idea.
We're right here. Okay, so what's your name?
My name is Kathy Osborne.
And you're a school nurse, right?
Yes, I am.
So what should our students do to get ready for the first day of school?
We'll definitely, if they need medications here at the school, their parent will need to drop them off through the drive-through.
Awesome. And what about if a kid's feeling not so good one day?
Ooh.
Oh, if they're not feeling well, then they might not want to come to school. They should look at the parent partnership pledge.
Oh, I heard about that.
Yeah, if they follow that, hopefully the year will be off to a good start.
Awesome. Thank you. Do you think he's gonna be okay?
I think he's gonna live.
I think my ankle's feeling so much better already. I think I do.
No.
We should go to the office, Miss Bartlett, and show off my new wheels.
Let's go. Well, here we are in the front office. Let's meet the ladies that help us out every day. First, we have Miss Sylvia Mayers. When you have questions about Power School, she's the lady to ask.
Next, we have Miss Borden, and she's gonna be running our school store this year. So if you need a lanyard, need to get your Chinese erasers, all that stuff.
Chinese erasers. And last but not least, we have Miss Watson. She is our new front office secretary. So when you show up, she's gonna check you in the morning, and when you leave early, she's the lady to look for.
I love our front office staff. They really hold our school together.
We really rely on these ladies. You are awesome.
We love you too.
Oh my gosh, Miss Bartlett, we saw so many awesome things today.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait for the first day of school on August 17th.
I know it's so close. We are this close. And then you know what time it is?
It's showtime!